Hey everyone, I'm Renny Vasquez and I had an absolute blast today hanging out with Kiss Lashes, creating custom lashes with my lovely model Bree. So today's look was inspired by a look that I did for Serena Williams for the Met Gala. I customized Serena's lash by adding flares from the DIY lash extension kit. I'm going to be showing you today how you can customize your lashes by using our Kiss Naked Drama Collection and our DIY lash extension kit. The Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection has a flexi bend technology which allows each lash to blend seamlessly to blend in with your natural lashes. As a split tip lash designed for full fluffy lashes and they're cruelty free. In the DIY lash extension kit, each cluster of lashes has the flat band technology. This enhances and adds length and volume to your natural lashes. Today, I'm going to customize a chiffon lash. I'm going to customize it by adding both short and medium clusters to the band of the chiffon lash. To customize your lash, you'll need 3 items. First, the Lash Couture Naked Drama Collection lash of your choice. Second, the Lash Couture Do-It-Yourself Faux Lash Extension Kit. And third, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Now, we'll pick up our tweezers. Next, we'll pour a little bit of strip lash adhesive right here into our glue pocket. Step 1, using your tweezers, you can gently grip the band of the cluster lash in short and pick it up off the tray. Step 2, you can dip the band of the cluster into your adhesive, only picking up a very little bit of glue on the very tip. Step 3, add the cluster onto the chiffon lash. Now you're going to repeat steps 1, 2, and 3 until you've created your desired lash look. I first started using the short hair clusters to fill in the lashes to get the right kind of density. Next, I used medium clusters to create more length all the way through. Wow, check out this gorgeous customized chiffon lash. I staggered both short and medium clusters to create a fun, flirty, wispy-like lash. Now you can apply the strip lash adhesive to the band of the strip lash. The Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive dries super fast, has aloe in it, and lasts all day. Wait about 30 seconds for the strip lash adhesive to become tacky. Using your lash applicator, you can now apply the lashes to the eyes. I like to start at the outer corners and work my way towards the inner corner. For our final step, we're going to add a little bit of mascara just to blend in your natural lashes with the false lash. And here's our final look, my recreation of the look that I did for this year's Met Gala. I had so much fun customizing lashes today with Kiss Lashes. Remember to express yourself with lashes and put your best wink forward.